guys, today we have iPhone 6s Plus speaker microphone not working. The customer told us that he can't, or the other people can't hear him while he's speaking on loudspeaker on apps like Messenger, WhatsApp and any other application. This is power button flex cables, connects power button and flash, LED flash, and with the microphone. This microphone what was causing the issue. Before I going to replace it, I put it the flex cable and power on the device and then test the microphone on the loudspeaker, and the microphone was testing alright. That's why I'm going now to turn on the device and replace that power button flex cable. Always when you deal with iPhone, you have the first thing to do is to unplug the battery. It's very important, and when you are ready to assemble, you need to plug the battery in the last piece. Remember, you remove it in the first and you put it on the last. You need to sort down all the screws you are removing it. Every screw is different from each other, so you need to sort them down. You can keep watching what I'm doing. The operation is not that complicated. You just need to watch and follow my steps. I'm just tearing down the device, nothing more. In every iPhone we have 3 or 4 microphones. We have 1 or 2 at the bottom, were connected to the flex cable. One is connected to the front camera and one connected with the power button. So they all working together, and sometimes they are working separately. We have the one to working while you are talking without loudspeaker, one with the loudspeaker, and there is one to cancellation the noise, etc. So you need to figure out what causing this problem. Sometimes you need to replace 1 or 2. We need to remove the camera so we can reach the flex cable. As I told you, you need to keep sorting everything in place because we are going to put them back in position. We don't need to mix anything. We have now 3 screws here to remove the power button. Now we have removed this flex cable. Okay, you can remove it. There is a hole. We have left the shield of the microphone with the old one. On the new one we don't have that shield, so I'm going to take it out from the old one to the new one. Now you can remove all the stickers from the new power button or power flex cable. There is nothing from me to set for you. You just need to put it on position. I don't know why it seems it's not putting on position. Okay, here I should tell you something. We have here 3 screws to put the power button. These screws should be different. When you screw them, you need to hear the power button when you press on it. Sometimes if you make the screws fully screw down, you may not feel the press of the power button, so you need to unscrew them a little to make sure that the pressing of that button is working as factory. You will be seeing me what I'm doing. You can seeing that obvious for you. I'm keep pressing to make sure that the press is very nice and smooth. After that, we will continue doing the other job. We don't like from the customer to come back and ask you why my power button is pressing like that. You will told him what you don't know. You need to make it now better for him so he didn't come back for you. Now we need to continue putting the shield and the screws on position. What we removed, we need to put them down, and that's it. We are almost done. You can continue watching to assemble the device perfectly. I'm very strict to put the pieces as it was. I should feel it's on position. I don't like to just to screw down and that's it. Oh, our job has been done. No, I always recommended to do the thing you feel is better and it's right to do it. Then you can do it. If you think that the flex cable is not on that position, don't screw it down. Just make sure it's fit on position, then you can screw it down. Okay, now we are going to assemble the camera on position. Okay, this piece is broken. I think it's broken, or there is a screw on the top corner and it's removed. That's why I'm misleading, or I don't know where this piece belongs. I think it's in the top, not under it, because the board can't press down, because the board is not pressing on position, because I felt that I don't need to force the board to go down while there is a piece preventing that. If you put some force, you can go and damage that board or broke that board. So that's why you should feel that you are doing the thing is right, then you can continue doing it. We are almost ready. I'm always prefer to test the new piece before doing the full assemble. You can even remove the power button flex cable just and put the new one while the device is open and test if the problem is gone, and then you will do and tear down or disassemble the device and put the new piece. There is no time just to make our job so difficult and repeat our job. You need to be wisdom to think better so you can solve your problem better. What I'm doing is assembling the antennas. We have one at the top and we have one at the bottom. You need to make sure you are press them on position, otherwise there will be no signal. Anyway, we have replaced a power button flex cable for the iPhone 6s Plus. If you still have a problem, I need you to replace the one that comes with the front camera. Replacing these two should solve your problem with the loudspeaker on the apps or on the phone itself. But if you still have the problem with the loudspeaker, you should trace whatever is causing that problem. If you have any questions, just write it down on the comments below. Our job has been done for this device. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.